Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Friday. Well, today we're going to be starting this one called Bless This Family. And I got it this morning from VIPCrossStitch. And we're going to be starting up in this area. And the color is number 320. And it is kind of a pale moss green. So, yeah, I know. Is this the one you expected me to pick? Is it not? Comment below. Because, yeah, it was a very, very tough decision to make. So, but if you know me at all, you know I will take the path of least resistance. So, yeah. I decided to start this one. And I got my little cloisonne needle minder that I got from my friend Jill a few years ago. And I don't know if you can tell, but there are two birds on a tree branch. Yeah, it is just absolutely stunning. I love it. So it's holding my other needle there. Holy cow. Yeah. I was not sure which one, right up to the last second, yeah, that I was going to start, because I told you I want to start them both. So the other one may happen sometime in the near future. So, yeah. How's everybody doing? Are y'all recovering from the big Christmas day? Holy cow. It was absolutely stupendous. My daughter and my son-in-law did an excellent job. Food was just out of this world. Tremendous. Just loved it. So we all had our fill of dinner and sat back and relaxed. I was so relaxed, I did not take any pictures. I got home and went, are you kidding? Yeah, that's how well it went. I know, I should be saving these moments. What can I say? I just felt very at ease. So I brought my apple cobbler home and I sat around for maybe an hour or so, and then I had to go lay down. Just totally had to go lay down. I laid down for 2 hours, and I did set my alarm because I knew I'd be there for the rest of the night if I didn't. And, yeah, I wanted to stay in bed, but I got up, watched some Poldark, and just vegged. So, have myself a nice hot cup of tea with some Christmas cookies and my apple cobbler. So, very, very good. So I have no idea what I'm going to be stitching on. Maybe I'll work on this today. Maybe not. I don't know. I was going to start on that. Let me bring the picture back a second on this. I'll call it lattice work here. But the color was too... I mean, it's a beautiful color. It just, yeah. You know me, I needed something that was going to actually show color. So, that's just the way I am. Color is the spice of life. I just didn't want anything blah, and yeah, just couldn't see it. So, need to have some color, so I thought, well, I'll just start in on these leaves because they look to be Very beautiful. I was supposed to go do the laundry today, but I don't know if I can rouse myself enough to get up and go do the laundry. I don't know that it'll be busier or not busy. It usually isn't too terribly bad this time of year. It's usually in the summertime, you know, you got more people coming, going, people camping. So they really need to do laundry, and that's any day of the week, you know. And it takes maybe, about, we'll call it almost an hour. Oops, sorry. To do laundry, so I'd rather get it done in an hour than spread it out over the whole day. Yeah, those days are done. Cannot. I just refuse. And there is absolutely no room in this house to have a washer and dryer at all. Even a stackable, I don't even think would sit in the space that's earmarked for that. And there's, yeah, just no room. So it's just as easy to go to the laundromat. I have no complaints. I love to go to the laundromat. Just do it and get it done. And Jill, I did wear the sweater that you sent me. It is lovely. And it looked beautiful. My granddaughter, she was like, ooh, ah, oh. She wanted to touch all the diamonds. She's a sparkle girl. Yeah, she loves her some sparkles. Yeah, she thought it was just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And I did too, of course. But, yeah. Oh, geez. I think she would have peeled it off my back if I hadn't been wearing it, because it was right up her alley. And I did paint my nails. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. I tried to use that, we'll call it blue-green-ish nail polish that Jill sent, but it wouldn't set up. I don't know if it was the altitude or what. It just would not set. It just kept being sticky. So I got nothing. I have no idea. So I had to go with my usual pink that I wear. Oops, I cut them. I was like, what is wrong with this picture here? So we'll try again at another time. I have no idea. Sure, it's a pretty color. I'd like to get to use it. Move that over there. So what's everybody else doing today? Anything fun, exciting, or are y'all sitting there in a poof going, whew, you know? Let me know in the comments. I just feel tired and drug out. I hope I'm not getting sick. I don't feel sick otherwise, so just kind of tired in general, you know. But it happens. I think we're supposed to have this lovely 50-degree weather through the next week. It might do something on Saturday, but don't get too excited. Oh, and on my way to my daughter's, we had some darkish clouds, and you know how I tell you the veil comes down over the mountains. Well, it was kind of doing that like this over here. My daughter lives over there. And I thought, looked like it was going to snow. You know, it covers up the mountains like that. Well, there was some gray clouds, and as I drove just a little bit more, there was an actual rainbow on Christmas Day. I thought that was just beautiful. I should have stopped by the side of the road and taken a picture. So I don't know if it had rained earlier, and because the sun was out, you know, when I got up earlier, I just wasn't outside or paying attention. So, yeah, I thought that was unique. We had a Christmas rainbow. It was bright and vivid. Hey, we got that part of that leaf done. That went pretty fast. One more. Come on, give me one more. And the same color kind of is in that border, if you will. It's right there by the needle minder, that green symbol. So we'll go over there and stitch here in a second, as soon as I get this puppy nailed down so it doesn't go somewhere. So we'll work on this week and see how much of it. I did use the needles that are in the kit. Sorry, I put my needle thing over in the wrong place. I had a bunch of 11 count needles, so I had to get out some smaller ones for some reason. Let's just move you over there. I'm going to move this because it's right under my elbow. I don't know which way I want to go. We're here somewhere. I guess I'll just fold this up and work from this direction. I'll just go halfway. It'll be easier than trying to rearrange all of it. So yeah, this looks like it'll be very nice to stitch on doing the cross stitch. Back stitch is going to be a piece of work though, I'm telling you. It reminds me, everything has got back stitching on it except for that background stuff. So the leaves, the basket, blah, 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 the fruit. Yeah. It reminds me, like I started to say, of that blue pavilion. But I think things are a little bit bigger than on that pavilion. Holy cow. Yeah, I ran out of blue colored thread that I was using, but it was my own fault. I used 2 strands instead of 1. So now, I mean, that was back in the way beginning. I know a lot better now. Sometimes it calls for 2 strands, and sometimes not so much. So, we'll just have to take it bit by bit. I'm not worried about the back stitching right now. We just get the regular stitching done, and that will be good. So no the grand plans for this weekend that I know of or can think of that we have to do. So maybe I'll just sit in my rocking chair and look at the blue sky and the sun and just enjoy my day stitching. Don't know what it is going to be I'm stitching. Can't seem to get away from the rabbit. I do love that thing. And it's coming along bit by bit by bit. Just absolutely adore that rabbit. And we're talking about the rabbit in the library. So we'll see what takes precedence, or maybe I can stitch for an hour on one thing and an hour on another and just keep alternating. This doesn't look too hard to stitch, so it might get some time. I'd like to go and get that one, what is it called? I want to say Harvest in the Fall, with all those beautiful turquoises and greens and blues, and oranges. Love that one too. Yeah, I might select 25 kits. Oh, let's hold it down to 50 maybe, that I just love working on, and you just don't have enough time to work on everything. I'm telling you. But anytime I can sit down and stitch, is a good day. I think I missed one. No, I didn't. Okay. We have green thread on a green symbol. Yeah. Every once in a while the light will catch it in a different direction. And I'll think, So if you see me stopping and starting, that's what's going on here. I had to get out another thimble because for some reason I have a hole in my other one on both sides. Yeah. Turning it around anymore is just kind of done, but I've had these thimbles probably for a good year, maybe even 2. So I have definitely gotten my money's worth out of them. I got them from Amazon. Do I have a box? These, they come in a box. They're called Mr. Pen XL non-stop finger protectors. I'll just pull these out. But there's 3 different sizes of the color. So there's 2 little sets of 3 in each color. So they come in orange and red and blue and yellow and green. You know, the primary color. Yeah. And they've been the best silicone thimbles that I've found. And I prefer them to my metal. I used to have I think it was a Dritz, D-R-I-T-Z, thimble that I used when I did quilting. Because I didn't want any resistance. And besides, they hadn't come up with silicone thimbles. Maybe they did, I just didn't know it existed. I didn't even know Amazon existed back then. Yeah. So, yeah. But I don't like to whip it. It just doesn't work for this kind of sewing, so we just don't use that one anymore. I still have it, but yeah. But it worked well for quilting because it didn't give. Alright, let me just turn this around. Let me move you up there. And, whoops, I'm sorry, I went the wrong way. Isn't that lovely? Okay, now that I've made you all dizzy. So we got that one done, and we got that part. It just kind of comes and goes in that border thing. And I'm not seeing any more of those green symbols, so I don't know what all these colors are. So we'll get to it one way or another. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.